Hi everyone, and welcome back to Brains Are Beautiful. I'm Monica Fisher, and also your Miss Pacific Coast, United States. In today's episode, we're going to be building an electromagnet. So this was one of my favorite experiments growing up as a kid, and it's really what got me into engineering and electricity and magnetism and that entire field. So I'm really excited for this, and on that note, let's get started. Okay, so for this experiment, we're going to need some sort of battery. So this is the battery I have, but almost any battery will work. We're going to need some, I used copper wire. I actually didn't have copper wire, so I stripped some ground wire, but you can get copper wire at the store. If you do strip it, wire strippers. We're also going to need like a metal rod of some type, and safety glasses are always a good idea. So, with that, let's get started. We're going to take our rod, and we're going to take our copper wire. And the longer the copper wire, the better, because you're going to get more wraps out of it. So what you're going to start doing is at the top, you're just going to kind of hold it there, and you're going to start wrapping this wire around and around and around this rod. And the more wraps, the better, because it's going to increase the magnetism. Okay, so I actually already have one that's finished, so you don't have to watch me wrap wire for 20 minutes. But basically what's going to happen is you're going to end up with something like this. So I used a screwdriver, and because I used an insulated one so I could grab this end of it. And then I took that copper wire and wrapped it around, oh gosh, probably a dozen or so times. And what we're going to do is we're going to hook each end of this wire. If you see, I left it hanging loose a little bit. We're going to hook it up to the battery. And now what's going to happen is electricity is going to flow through this wire, and it's going to go over in the coils right around. And what's happening is as it goes through, it's actually creating a magnetic field around the wire. And so it's basically making this ferrous material that it's wrapped around a magnet. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to hook, and kids, do this with adult supervision so you don't end up shocking yourself. So I'm going to hook one end in the positive, and then I'm going to hook one end in the negative. Okay, so there's my magnet. So now what I got here, I just got a box of screws. If you don't have a box of screws though, paper clips work really, really well. Just make sure they don't have any plastic or wrapping on them. Just strip them down or get the bare metal ones. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of show you guys. There's my box of screws. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, I'm going to pick a couple up, and there you go. And so this is really fun. You can build these and have competitions to see how many screws or paper clips you can pick up. But yeah, that's the experiment for today. Super easy, super quick, super fun. And like I said, the more wraps of wire you get, the more electricity, the bigger the magnetic field, and the more magnetic you're making that ferrous material. So let's see if I can get any more on here. 2, 3, oh, maybe not. Well, let's try this. I'm also on a metal table, so that's probably not helping. 3. Okay, it looks like I got 3 for this one. But like I said, the more coils, the more magnetic force, and the bigger magnetic field, I should say. Alright, and that wraps up today's video. So I'm going to take my safety glasses off, and I'm going to undo my magnet, and you can see all the screws just fell right off. So, thank you all for watching, and remember, brains are beautiful.